Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Rubick's Arcana in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Armory, which is at the top of your screen, right here. And then on the filter hero list, search for Rubick, like this. And under here, look for the set called the Magus Cipher, which is right over here. It also has Arcana named on top of it. As you can see, I already have this set, but if you don't, there'll be a green button right here stating the price of this Arcana. Just click on it and follow through with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!